The Supertrend is one of the cleanest trend following indicators you can use. It plots a single line that will tell you whether the trend is up or down without any guesswork, and here's how to use it on TradingView. First, open any chart you want to use this on, press the / key, type in Supertrend, click on it, and then our charts will look the exact same. Now you have a line that's overlaid on price. When the trend is up, the line is below price and colors are green, but when the trend is down, the line is above price and colors are red. So when the indicator flips, it switches sides and changes colors at the exact bar when the trend changed. Now, two settings really matter here, so what I want you to do is hover over any line, double click it, head over to input. Now the ATR length, the default is 10, and this just controls how many bars of average true range the indicator uses. Now the factor, the default is 3, and this just controls how sensitive the indicator is to flips. For example, a higher factor like 5 will give you fewer flips and follows bigger trends. A lower factor like 2 catches shorter moves but gives more whipsaws. The Supertrend works best in trending markets because in choppy sideways action, it'll flip back and forth, giving you false signals. So that's a thing you have to watch out for. Other than that, have a great day, guys.